Folks, you know my next guest from the big TV juggernaut, Roseanne. He plays David Healy, one of the folks living in the Connor house, and here's a quick look at the program if you haven't been alive.
If you catch the ball on the fourth down, you cannot...
He explained it wrong. Please welcome Johnny Galecki. Johnny Galecki! Nice to see you.
Nice to see you. Nice meeting you. Welcome to L.A.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Maybe we'll go out tonight to maybe, I don't know, Fat Burger.
That would be lovely.
I think that would be lovely. Now, you've been living out here. You've been doing all the talk shows and running around. And,
No, I don't do much of this at all. This is my first talk show tonight.
Is it seriously? Wow. Once again, Barry White gets another virgin. So, are you nervous? Does it make you nervous to do something like this?
I was nervous, but I'm highly sedated now, so I'm
good.
feeling better. No.
I think that's good.
No, it's a very odd thing, and I'm rather shy. So actually, I called up where I work, the stage where I work, and I asked if someone there could make a short clip of them describing me, just because I think they'll do a much better job than I would.
Oh, okay, sure. So if you'll set up. This is a clip of someone from Roseanne.
Yeah, I honestly have not seen it.
You haven't seen it, you don't know who it is. Okay, well, this is, I guess, Johnny Galecki as described by one of the members of Roseanne. Let's take a look.
Thank you. Can you turn that off? You know, Johnny reminds me a lot of myself as a young kid. What was I like? Well, I guess I had dreams like any other young kid. I was in art school, had a girlfriend. That was during the sexual revolution days. We had an awful lot of fun, that girl and I. And of course, drugs came into play a little bit, but my life has changed a great deal since then. Now I'm a happily married man. I have a lovely daughter, and I'm thrilled to be a part of this Roseanne cast. It's been great to be able to say these words about Johnny. Thank you.
Oh, that's lovely.
You know, I don't even know. We have so many extras on the show sometimes, and I don't even keep everything straight.
I think he's just one of the older guys, probably, just wandering around, because I thought I saw facial hair, but I'm not sure. That's great, though. The set is, let me get this straight. You were Sarah Gilbert's boyfriend. She was...
on the show.
On the show, yeah, exactly. And then she left, like the first year they were there.
Yeah, well, she's at college.
Yeah.
She comes back.
She left. I've been watching.
Okay,
She I don't see her. So then, did you think to yourself, I'm going to have to pack and leave?
Yeah, absolutely. The majority of the stuff that I had done on the show was with Sarah, so I couldn't even imagine what they were going to do with me with her gone, so I figured I was out of there. But they've gone to great lengths to justify why I'm still there.
So they just decided, okay, he'll move in here and fall in love with Roseanne, and that'll be the end of it.
It's been great. It's been terrific. We've been able to go in a lot of different places, branch out with the character a lot.
Yeah, it's a good character. It must be a lot of fun. And also gets you to that next level of showbiz, because you get to meet all the big celebs, all the people you've always wanted to meet, which I'm sure you've had a chance to do. I mean, not me, you know, because I know about that one. But, you know, and there must be some big celebrities you've had a chance to meet. And,
Yeah, I've had the good fortune of working with a lot of great people. And I learned very young that people are just people, but I was starstruck once.
By?
Tony Dow.
Tony Dow?
Yeah.
Tony Dow, Wally Tony Dow?
Yeah.
Leave It to Beaver, Wally Tony Dow.
Yeah.
You met him?
Yes. It was a few years back.
Was he washing your car? How did you meet him? No, that's terrible.
That's horrible.
That is horrible, and I'm sure I'll be joining him. How did you meet this guy?
I don't remember exactly where it was. It was a few years ago, and I saw him, and I knew I had to say something. I was completely in awe, and it has never happened to me before.
Yeah.
And I went up to him, and I introduced myself, and I said, nothing came to my head that I could think of, and I opened my mouth, and very sincerely I said, I really like your work. And he looked at me like I was a fool.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. Completely snubbed by Wally. Yeah. No, he's a nice guy, but he looked at me like, it was 30 years ago, and it was Leave It to Beaver, you idiot.
No, I understand. Gilligan once took a pop at me.
Did he?
Yeah, that happened.
He'll do that, too.
Yeah, those guys get testy at the auto shows. So it's, I'm kidding again. I'm kidding again. the show is terrific, and I'm sure you're going on to a lot more things, too, so it's great.
Well, thank you.
And you'll get to meet plenty more of the people from Nickelodeon. So it's great to see you.
Nice meeting you.
Johnny Galecki, everybody. We got to take a quick break. He's going to stick around, and we'll be back with more Barry White. So we'll see you in a bit. I'm here with Johnny Galecki. Man, it was so nice of you to come by.
Thank you.
I hope you come by again, and
Great
maybe
time.
when you're back in New York, we'll go out and have a lovely cheeseburger or something. You're a nice man.
My pleasure.
And I want to thank Faith Ford, who was here as well. She was lovely. Kelsey Grammer, who beat me badly. I almost forgot about this. I wanted to thank Lisa. She's probably in my pocket still.
Hey, John.
Yeah.
John.
Yeah.
I found something down here in your pocket.
Yeah. Just.
It's a condom.
Yeah.
It's from 1987, John.
Yeah.
drop
No,
stuff.
I've been busy.
This is very impressive, though.
Thank you, Lisa.
Very.
Okay, don't handle it like that, because you'll. Oh my goodness!
Can I just keep this as a souvenir?
All right. Put it away.
You stole this from Barry White, didn't you?
Don't rip it.
I'll just take it back to John Tesh, no problem.
Okay, thanks a lot, Lisa. It was very nice to see you. How about kiss goodbye?
Bye, John.
Whoa, jeez. Very nice. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See ya.
Lisa Gibbons. Oh. The magic of technology, ladies and gentlemen. And I also want to really thank Barry White. He's going to play us out with Come On from The Icon Is Love, which in the past 10 minutes has become a double platinum album, ladies and gentlemen. You have a great night, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.